Top 30 Interesting Facts About Antarctica. Dear family, please subscribe my channel and motivate me for more videos. Thank you. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. It is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures reaching as low as -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit (-89.2 degrees Celsius). The continent has no permanent residents, but there are research stations operated by several countries. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, designates the continent as a scientific preserve and bans military activity and mineral extraction. Antarctica is home to the largest ice sheet in the world, which covers about 98% of its landmass. The ice sheet is up to 2.1 kilometers, 1.3 miles, thick in some areas. The continent has no trees or shrubs, but there are some species of moss and lichen. Antarctica is the driest continent on Earth, with some areas receiving no precipitation for decades. The first recorded landing on Antarctica was made in 1821 by a Russian expedition. The first person to reach the South Pole was Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen in 1911. The continent is home to several species of penguins, including the emperor penguin, which is the largest of all penguin species. The Weddell seal is also found on Antarctica, and it is the southernmost breeding mammal in the world. The Southern Lights, or aurora australis, can be seen in the Antarctic sky. There are no time zones in Antarctica, and most research stations use the time zone of their home country. In the winter months, the sun does not rise above the horizon for several months, resulting in 24-hour darkness. The highest point on Antarctica is Vinson Massif, which stands at 4,892 meters, 16,050 feet. Antarctica was once a part of the supercontinent Gondwana, which also included Australia, Africa, South America, and India. The oldest ice ever discovered on Earth was found in Antarctica and is believed to be 2.7 million years old. The Antarctic ice sheet holds about 90% of the world's freshwater. The continent is also home to a subglacial lake system, with over 400 known lakes. The first airplane flight over Antarctica was made in 1928 by Australian explorer Sir Hubert Wilkins. Antarctica is the only continent without any reptiles or amphibians. The continent is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which is home to several species of whales and seals. Antarctica is the only continent with no mosquitoes. The world's largest iceberg, V15, broke off from the Ross Ice Shelf in Antarctica in 2000. The first successful solo crossing of Antarctica was made in 2018 by British explorer Henry Worsley, who died shortly after completing the journey. There are no permanent rivers or lakes on Antarctica's surface. The continent has a low population density, with an average of only 0.00008 people per square kilometer. Antarctica has no native land mammals, but humans have introduced several species, including reindeer and cats. Climate change is affecting Antarctica, with warming temperatures leading to melting ice and rising sea levels. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.